How can you fix the dim date and time on the iPhone? Let me show you some options you have available. Let's get started. And if you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So, of course, when you swipe down to access the lock screen, then you'll see your date and time in this large format, and it's possible that it's either dimmed or covered by some images, or that it doesn't look the way that you want. And the way to change it is by holding down on the screen like that, then clicking on customize, and you'll have the ability to change the time setting. So when you click on a time, you can of course change the size for it if that's what you are going after, but also make sure to change it to a different color if you don't like the current one. You can also change the thickness and font and whatever, right? So that is something which you can change between. But also at the bottom, running the iOS 26, we have the ability to switch between a glass or a solid. So if you don't like this glass dimmed look, then you can switch to the solid one, and that will look a little bit different, and perhaps you will prefer it much more. But if that is not what you meant, and there is some kind of problem with the software, for example, the time on the home screen is dimmed or something doesn't look right, then, some basic troubleshooting could get the job done most likely. So you can restart the iPhone or check the settings app to see if inside of the general and software update section, there isn't by any chance a new update available, because usually these kind of problems will be fixed with a software update. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to fix the issue for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.